On November 15, 2014, Seva International, a non-profit organization that vouches to hold service over self, held their annual fundraiser in association with students of Nupur Dance Academy, Natyanjali, Natyamani School of Dance, and Apsara's Academy of Dance. It was a spectacular presentation of Indian classical dance and also an opportunity for Seva team to share with the audience the wonderful work that the organization and the volunteers do. Seva volunteers aspire to do Seva with Tan, Man, and Dhan by giving their time mentally, physically, as well as through donations for positive Seva projects. They promote selfless service through their chapters in cities and towns across the United States. Special guests Sandeep Shah and Amar Sani shared their views on Seva and how all religions of the world encourage the aspect of giving. Please explore the Seva chapter nearest to you and connect with them to volunteer and experience the joy of giving. Here are a few glimpses of the fundraising event brought to you by the Foundations TV, an online video channel spreading inspiration through awareness.
Charitable and needy causes as a part of their 5 major pillars. Judaism has Tzedakah, which is again the same concept of giving and act of giving. And this is something that as obviously emotionally and with experience, we feel that giving gives us some sort of pleasure. And in all of these religions, they reinforce the fact and practice of giving. In fact, it is considered that it benefits giver more than the receivers. And almost everywhere in the world, and we are especially being in the US, get exposed to so many other cultures and religions. Everybody believes that there is a spiritual merit to be had by practicing charity or
Pankaj कुच कुङ्कुमाङ्गित शरीर कालाम्बुदाभ कनकाभतुङ्ग वक्षस्थलेन धरलनील वृन्दादि हरते धेनुश्वास पुरनिलय जयसे नमस्ते नमस्ते
having me come over here and to what he talks about. So I wanted to take a little bit of a philosophical note on this. Being a scientist, I first started examining, how do we live our lives and what should be the guiding principle for living our lives. As we looked at it, people felt in science, they still feel that self-preservation is a very powerful instinct. And there is actually something called the selfish gene, where people look towards the fact that the most powerful instinct in a person is that of self-preservation, and most of the actions that one takes is guided by that instinct of self-preservation. So whatever we might do in terms of maintaining our health, cultivating education, selecting a mate, having children, accumulating wealth, all of these things are directed towards self-preservation and prolonging of that genetic material that we may possess. Now, that may be right or may not be right. I just was not very satisfied with that explanation because it seemed that left very little room for altruism, and I couldn't explain why anybody would do anything for somebody. Don't let me put a damper on any of that stuff. Is that the giving of the money is the easiest thing to do. It's really when we give of our time, give of our labor, that's the hard part. That really is precious. That's because we all come with the same 24 hours in a day. None of us get any more, none of us get any less. So the giving of time and of your labor is probably the greatest gift. So I really salute the volunteers of Seva and the people who take that time out to do this. And as I examined this, I realized that this is not necessarily only a guide for being a Sikh. It's a guide for anybody. Anybody who is trying to live their life in such a fashion that they can come up with a more harmonious society. So I look at society as being a web. We're all different.
So all these people, all these youngsters are propagating this concept of Seva Gulla, and we call them Seva ambassador. So I invite everyone here, every child here, every youth here, every adult here, to become a Seva ambassador. How can we work together? So first thing is we have to attach our mind to the Seva, community service. So man, that is the first thing. So please think about the community, think about the service projects that we are doing. It doesn't really matter whether you have time or not. If you have 1 hour per month, we can engage you in a project where you will make a significant contribution to the community.